So crazy thing, guys. I just got a message from Uber. They're reinstating my account effective immediately. Like, clearly this COVID thing is having an effect on the company because they told me that I can't drive anymore, and then now but no, they did actually explain something to me. And this is weird. Hold on, let me put some clothes on. After thorough investigation, complaints shall be considered invalid. Your account is reinstated effective immediately. Thank you for your patience, blah, blah. It's been over 2 weeks for that. And also, that's crazy that it says complaints, plural, because I haven't gotten any complaints. I can pull up a picture. It's been like this for over a year. It's zero, no complaints. That's just insane that it says multiple complaints, or not. I mean, complaints with an S. It doesn't say investigation of the complaint. Like, it's complaints. So I'm like, I don't get any, so I don't understand where that came from. Chiropractor, I gotta do one other thing, and I got the mask, and we're gonna go driving. The tent up on my street, look. I've never seen that before. Way better gas mileage with a lot less traffic on the road. Dude, I almost forgot, I gotta get a car wash. I forgot, like, I gotta wash my car. Some people are driving so fast. 4:39, so this is the time that traffic would typically start to be going on the other side of the freeway. And there is a lot of cars, that's for sure. Normally it would be pretty much stopped right now. Have you ever thought about, what if the virus could just like come in the window? I should get eye protection too. Chiropractor. Do I look different now that I've come out of the chiropractor? I would just imagine that like my whole like aura has changed after that. Ralph's, no line. Because there's been lines at the stores. Normally there'd be so much traffic right here. I think I'll just wait here for a trip. Why not, right? Yeah, I'll just chill, wait for a trip, in everybody's way. I'm just kidding. Look at this. Normally there's so much traffic, it takes them forever. Here goes one without his lights on. So we got street food.
Yeah, I was on in the 8 o'clock.
Dude, the car wash is closed. Wow. I just drove all the way across town to go to the car wash, and it's closed. And there's my favorite Mexican food place. It's closed. Are they social distancing? Yeah. Boba's open. Everybody's social distancing out front of the Boba. I'm just gonna go home, I'm gonna eat some dinner, and then I'll go back. Hopefully there will be some trips, because I doubt that there's very many trips at night. We got Thai food coming. I bet you Thai food places are doing pretty well. 1 hour?
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going?
How are you?
Hey, I'm good. How are you? How's business? Yeah.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, 50% down. That's just it.
Oh no.
He gave you the tip.
Yeah, he did. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Sorry.
That's happened everywhere.
Yeah.
How are we doing? Okay. Just need to cut down some employees.
For that. Thai food was good. Got my gloves, got my mask right here in the car. And I got face protection. Let's see what kind of work we can get.
150 people in the state have died of the coronavirus.
Use the middle lane to turn slightly left, stay on Whitney Drive, then turn right on.
It's a kid.
Hi.
Hey.
I'll just sit here. I'm doing good.
Is it just you?
Yeah. My mom had to work late at the hospital today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
To my grandma's house.
There's nobody that can go with you?
No.
No? Alright, yeah, just sit. That's good right there.
Okay.
Huh. Do you take a lot of Uber rides?
No, this has just been my second one I took.
Really? You know you're supposed to be 18, did you know that?
No.
Yeah, you gotta be 18 to ride in an Uber. Is your mom a nurse?
Yeah, she's a doctor at a hospital, children's hospital.
Oh, really? Wow, she must be busy right now.
Yeah.
Cool. Is this grandma's?
Yeah. Thanks for the ride.
Alright, yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks to your mom too. Be safe. Yo.
What's up?
Yo. Hey, do you mind sitting in the back?
I'm like super clean now.
How's it going?
You mind?
What?
Lysol.
Oh, yeah. Dude, awesome. Yeah, go crazy.
No.
Awesome. Yeah. I got a mask too. Gotta be safe. Just aired out the car a little too.
You know what, dude? The cold wind is really messing with me right now.
Oh. Okay. Alright. You going to the hospital?
Yeah, county.
Alright. You okay?
How are you, man?
Good.
Cool. Busy?
No, actually. Like, pretty slow. Did you hear a lot of the drivers? A lot of drivers are like filing for unemployment and stuff like that.
Sorry about that. Do you have a napkin?
Yeah, dude. Here. Yeah.
Hey, can you crack that window? It's hot in here, man.
Yeah.
What is it, like 80?
Yeah.
The heat on. Lower that heat.
Yeah. No problem.
How much longer?
3 minutes.
5 stars.
Cool, thanks. Is this good? You gotta be kidding me right now. Oh my gosh. Dude. What the hell? Oh god. Dude. This is unbelievable. Like, you gotta be kidding me. Look at that. Like, I'm afraid to even get my camera too close. What the dude is bleeding. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm burning these clothes. It wasn't a bad night. It looks like there's money to be made. I was out for 5 hours. I made 70 bucks. I drove 8 trips, I think. There's money out there if you want to risk it. I'm done. I'm retiring for now.
Why were you recording what I was doing?
Why not?
Because I'm reading off a credit card and stuff like that, David. That's why.
You're not live.
Then why would you even point it at me?
Why not?
I'll ask again. And why would you even point it at me?
Why not?
You tell me why you did it. Don't answer a question.
Because I like making movies. I like making videos.
Okay, well, you don't have to make it while I'm ordering something and I'm reading my credit card. And if you weren't recording it, there wouldn't have been a reason to point it at me.
What do you think I'm gonna do?